This morning we're going to be giving an offering to the local monks that are in the area here in Phuket. And we're going to learn a little bit about what to do, how to do it, and enjoy the experience. Sawadee krap Kunjo.
สวัสดีครับคุณบ้าน
So today we're going to give offering to the monk. Is that right?
Yes, it's correct. It is our monthly activity, and then we invite not only the guests but also our team to do this sustainability activity to offering the food to the monks at Angsana here, and we invite 9 monks.
9 monks today. Okay. And what do you give them?
So we give the good things. We give food because
Yes.
In Buddhism we believe that to give things that the monk can eat, we need to give before 12 at noon. Things later than 12, if we give to the monks, it's a small sins to the monks. So that's why we need to give the food, drinks, and then some flowers too.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. Do you local people do this every day in
They
their
do
village?
every day in their life because the monks are not allowed to cook by themselves. So they have a routine. In the past, when the monks wake up, they need to check their palm. If they see the line, it means that they can already leave from the temple to go around the village, and the people are going to offering the food to them. Yes.
Nice.
Because we believe that the monks keep their life pure, and then we give good things to the person who keep their life pure. It means we giving them more opportunity to do a better things for our world.
That's wonderful. I am looking forward to it. So
Yes.
the monks are going to come over here
Yes.
and up here.
Yes.
Okay.
Please join us.
Yes, thank you very much, Kunjo.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you. And so the monks will be coming along here. This little passage here, very pretty. And then over here is where we have the offering bowls for them when they come. So let's take a look and see, what do they give the monks as described by Kunjo? Have a little package here with things in them, some cookie snacks and some soy milk and some flour and Milo. That's good. And the stuff. Oh yes, hello. Very nice. Oh, here we go. Some cakes and cookies and pineapple and drinks. So this will be all good for them. And that was our wonderful experience giving the offerings to the monks. And please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again at Asia Eats and Street Beats. And a special thanks to Kunjo. Thank you, Kunjo.
Thank you ครับ
อ So that was the wonderful experience of giving the offerings to the monks together here with Kunjo. Thank you, Kunjo, for the experience here at Angsana.
It's my pleasure, man.